Hello guys, welcome to the orbit of the coding. So today I am going to present how to convert string into number using a try-parse method. So this is a very small things, but while you are working on any kind of project or any kind of things, you got requirements. So end user enter anything, you receive anything in the as a input in the strings, right? And in the strings we also receive some numbers, like we receive a double p apples in the double quotation mark strings, and we also receive some numbers like 1 2 3, yeah, some any kind of product number, some any kind of digits we receive as a inputs, right? So so if you want convert, if you want to identify where input we receive a strings or we receive integer, at that time you can use a try parse method. Whenever user enter anything, if either enter a strings number like any alphabeticals number, then you can identify this is the string, right? And if strings using some numbers like 1 2 3, then we can identify. I will show you in some examples. So I have already created some applications to show you. So here you can see that I create, you can enter anything in the numbers like strings, alphabet, anything you can enter, right? And we can use console dot read line. So console dot read line is by default strings, right? When we try to put or save into the integer, then I need a conversion, right? So it's by default strings value. I just undo that particular things, right? So whenever we enter like any then in dot try parse we can pass two parameter like strings, and we can store if this is so basically it's if the try parse is returning its validation is true, then it's return a number, like then we can pass as second parameter out as a integer. So it return a integer, right? So I just add one things. So I just add plus a, concatenate the a, so we can check what is the integer exactly, right? And here I can also check, add one things. So now I'm running, execute the programs. It will get a few seconds because my laptop is quite a bit slow right now. So let's wait few seconds. It's hanging somewhere, and right now I am currently entering the strings number, a string, right? Any alphabetical number, then see the result. So try parse usually return boolean value. So it's executing now, yeah, and there we go. So now I am entering like any alphabetical number like apple, I put the, and then we see. So this is a strings value. Here you can see that I am just put it, so you can see the result, this strings value, and we got the in that strings we got the result 0, right? Here you can see that we got the result 0. And suppose again in the next time if I enter any number, right? Suppose I enter 1 2 3. Oh, I need to execute again. So sorry for the inconvenience. So if I enter any number like 1 2 3 4 5, I just enter the number 1 2 3 4 5, right? And then we can, so this is the number, and we can got the correct number in the second parameter. So thank you guys, that's it for this video as of now. So if you have any query, let's put on the comment box and I will try to resolve the same. Thank you, have a nice day and happy learning.